That's it, our last day in Lukla. Looks like that the pass is fogged in and it could be for a few days. I think we made a wise decision and we're lucky that we were able to do this, to get a helicopter. So we have 3 helicopters chartered. So moving back to Kathmandu now. Let's hope we get out. Oh yeah, it's well fogged in the pass so therefore the planes won't go today. So we're going to actually slide down through the Duvkosi, heading for Kathmandu and then up over the lower reach. I suppose it is the thing about adventure travel that you have to have patience, and I suppose what it has taught me over the years is live in the present. You know, like you'd only stress yourself otherwise, especially like if it's the case you're in remote places and you have to play with the weather, and things usually always work out. So let's see what happens. We're now actually going from Lukla because the cloud will be, as you can see behind me, completely fogged in. It'll be in here soon, so it'll stop all the helicopters from going down. So what we're going to do now is we're going to drop down the hill that is here behind me, down. This is like a runway, like off a cliff. So down at the bottom of the cliff we'll have a place called Suka where there's a field, and hopefully the helicopters will be able to fly in under the cloud up to Duvkosi, which is kind of a new route there in recent years.
Kathmandu, here we come. It was a trial in itself, lots of bad weather this time.
Absolutely fantastic.
Thank you.
Yeah, how'd you find that?
Oh, amazing! My first chopper ride ever. Amazing. Thank you.
Fantastic, fantastic experience.
Amazing. The best trip off on a helicopter.
What?
Only trip I've ever had on a helicopter, and absolutely really enjoyed it. A little bit nervous, but really, really cool just to be like in line with the clouds as well.
Okay, thank you.
I enjoyed every bit of it with a mighty view. That's what we had.
That's it.
We were so happy to see Kathmandu.
Taking helicopter, was that?
Oh man, I can't wait to dance over. I'm so excited that I'm here.
How was it? You got down fine?
The ride was amazing. Helicopter ride.
Take it easy.
Back in Kathmandu, back to the hustle and bustle. And what a time we had, what an adventure. 4 days delayed, 3 days to get down, to get a flight out, then it was bogged in, and then helicopter back. Did you enjoy the helicopter? Oh, fuck yeah, it was brilliant. Brilliant. So now we're gonna, so now we're actually heading down to New Orleans, favourite place of mine.